this training, I'm going to be showing you how to own a VTU website in Nigeria this year and even next year. The whole essence of this training is to show you different packages we have as regard to owning a VTU website. And not only that, I will also show you how to scale the business up. When we are talking about scaling the business up, we are talking about starting with a lower package and then going to a higher package. So stay with me as we go and dive into this training. My name is Shedrack and I have a more than 12 years experience in running telecommunication business. So if you go to instantmobile.com.ng, this is a place where you can actually order for a VTU website. Okay, instantmobile.com.ng. Instantmobile.com.ng has been in existence for over 10 years. So it can only prove one thing, that the platform or our services are the most reliable in Nigeria. So if you look here, you see that Instant Mobile is a VTU telecom based platform in Nigeria that serves your daily needs ranging from airtime, VTU, data, bill payment, TV subscription, electricity, instant nationwide bank transfers. What we are saying here in this is like you can use Instant Mobile to be able to deliver all this in your own brand. In the another language, it means irrespective of your budget, Instant Mobile can develop that your dream VTU website. Okay. Now we are the best and we remain the best when it comes to telecommunication business in Nigeria. We are also the founding father of the business. So that can only mean one thing, that Instant Mobile is your goal when you talk about setting up a VTU website. So to get started, once you're here, you can use the link in the description of this video to get started. You just have to click on this three dots. You see these three dots here. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will pop up something like this. So once you pop up something like this, all you have to do is to click on pricing. You get, so click on this pricing. It will take you to the pricing section. So what is a pricing section? The pricing section show you different packages. Those packages are there to enable you pick a plan. Now the mistake most people make here when they come here is that they want to go to the highest. That is not what we said here. What we said here is that you can start small and grow your business. Okay, so you can also join the WhatsApp community so you get notified whenever there is an update. Now we have various packages, as I said. Let me start with the first one, which is Affiliate Partnership Portal, otherwise known as AVPP. This package is the first, and you get your website designed and done within 12 hours. So that's the guarantee we are saying on this training. So with the help of the AVP package, you can get started running a telecom business. Now going further, we have so many packages on these AVP packages. One of them is the first package there, which is AVP1. This AVP1, you are actually paying 45,000 naira. When you pay 45,000 naira, what are you getting on this package? You are going to get the listed features. These are the features that comes with the package. Can you see the features? These features, all this that is listed here, that is what we call features. We are only a VTU provider that give you features or what you get per each of the package you are going for. So you come with a full standard VTU website, come with free.com.ng domain, come with multiple dashboard switch, come with basic sale analysis, come with multiple color selections. You can sell MTN SME, you can sell MTN, you can sell Glo, you can sell SME, you can sell almost all the data services. You can also add your own profit on the back end. The profit we are talking about is that how much do you want to add for your users. So, and the beauty of this package, which is the AVP1, is that you will get your website under 12 hours. So what we mean by this is, as we are paying the 45,000 naira, which you see here, within 12 hours, you will get this website. Okay? So what are you waiting for? It's for you to go there to your mobile bank app and make a transfer of 45,000 and expect your website to be ready in 12 hours. And this particular package comes with one single API switch. So what does it really mean? It means that you can only use one API. API simply means where you are buying that product or commodity. So it comes with one API switch. So, and it is white label. What does white label mean? It simply means that no one will know where you are sourcing your product, and all the design and development is being powered by yourself. So why we do build websites like that or VTU website in this manner is that we want you to be in charge so that users will also trust and do business with you. Other developer company out there, after they have built the website, at the end of the day, you will see that everything is still linking to them, which is not what we are doing for any client, irrespective of any package you are coming from with. So to place order is very simple. You go to WhatsApp and request for bank details. So don't come to WhatsApp and begin to ask, how does this thing work? Explanation has already been done here on this training. Now the second one is the AVP2. This one is actually 55 for the package. So now these are the features you also get all these features. Okay, now the difference between the first package and this one is the second package is the price of how you are going to be getting the commodity. So the price of this first one, you'll be getting it at a little bit high price, but the price of this second one, you'll be getting it at a medium price. So that's what the difference. So we also have the one of the 75k, which is the one of the AVP3. The difference between this one is that you're getting it at a very cheaper price, and you also come with a mobile app. So you see the differences. The reason why I am taking time to explain some of the features is that it will help you to make informed decision of what you think is best for you to go for. So you shouldn't come to WhatsApp and begin to say, how does this work? How does it work? Because we have already done justice on this video. So going further, we have the VTU bulk order reseller setup business based on PHP, based on Laravel, based on Python. So this is more or less an advanced form of the VTU development. So we have the first package there, which is the one of 150k. You are going to enjoy all these features that is listed here. But going further, I want to differentiate each of those packages for you so you have a better clarity. Now, one of the greatest features of this is that this comes with a very cheaper prices of products. You won't believe it. You'll be able to see that your prices are very affordable. So that is one of the greatest feature of this. Apart from it, it comes with a mobile progressive web app. So you can see it stated here. And the application used in building it is totally different from the first one. So these are the differences. So you can see it is built using this. Okay. About this particular set is the application is actually different. It is not the same thing. This affiliate VTU partnership, the application is not the same thing. So this is more or less like premium. Okay, premium design, as like people that understand what we're saying in terms of project development, you know that is why the amount is not in the same category. So going further, we also have the second one, which is the MSD Pack 2. This one, the difference between it and the first one is that you will be having this, you're having the app on Play Store, and it comes with different APIs. So it means you can source the product using different APIs of your choice. So, and you can download the app on Play Store. And not only that, it also comes with you having access to your C panel, which is more or less like giving you 100% control of both the application and the system. Now if you go down here, you see other features, which is also, I've already explained each and every one of them. So this second package is a win-win situation for people that want to really have a total control of the business. So you can go for this package. You can go for this package because this package gives you that particular ability. Now if you also go to the last one, which is MSD Pack 3, that one is 1.25 M. This one is, the difference between it and the second one is that this one will come with .com domain, which is normal for all these big packages, but that is not it. You also discover that this one comes with mobile app on Play Store. You have access to the C panel, but you also enjoy one businesses, which is not even stated here. One of them is that you will be able to have a hosting business. You can run a hosting business alongside the telecommunication business. So this is not even stated here, but I'm just like telling you here that this is what really makes the difference between this package and the second package. So there is also other packages, which is more or less like business telecom package, but I may not be able to make reviews on most of them because we don't want this video to be very long. But one of the things that's why I make this video is this: if you have interest of starting a VTU website, you can start with the first setup here for the affiliate website. When you start with it, you can scale it up. Maybe like you want to now go for the second package, you pay the difference. You want to go for the last package, you pay the difference on this category. Now if you also want to go for this, you can start with the first package. and then you upgrade later. Okay, so it's not a must you should be looking for to get this particular figure before you can be able to start. It may end up that maybe that time at which you have that money, the amount must have increased or even reduced, because we don't know the market condition. So why we are saying this is because we want you to start this business right now. So that's why I'm taking my time to explain or give you reviews of each of these independent packages on the platform. So pick a package today and get started.